Hi, and welcome to Complete React Native Developer Bootcamp. Build more than 18 Android and iOS apps in this course. React Native is amazing. With single code base, you can produce Android and iOS apps, and you can see the potential there. Businesses do love React Native, simply because with half the amount of code, you can work on Android and iOS apps. Hi, my name is Hitesh, and I'll be your instructor for this course. With over 300,000 subscribers on YouTube and global presence in almost every teaching platform of technology, my specialty is to turn every single toughest topic in the easiest one so that learning becomes fun, exciting, and amazing. The big question is what we will be learning in this course. We will start from absolutely scratch. We will learn how we can install React Native tools and libraries what are required for this course. Then we'll directly jump on creating our very first app. From there, we're going to get started in creating amazingly simple applications like just click on a button and it changes the background, as simple as like that. From there, we're going to increase the complexity a little bit, and then we are going to create apps that can help us in understanding the state management in React. Apps like Tic-Tac-Toe, Scratch and Win, and a couple of other amazing apps that are so fun to create. Then further, we're going to move ahead and explore the phone's capability. We're going to design the app that can use inbuilt phone features like how we can run the sound feature, how we can open up selfie camera or back camera, and tons of other features of a mobile phone. After that, we're going to explore Redux. Redux is an amazing state management library, and I'm going to demystify Redux alongside with React Native. We're going to create a couple of apps of Redux, and we'll explore a whole lot about the state management about Redux. After Redux, we're going to move into API section. We're going to learn how we can handle APIs that are provided by a variety of third parties. Handling these APIs is super fun, and it can give superpower to your application. After that, we're going to move into local storage. We're going to learn how we can have a feature of persistent data in our application. We're going to talk a whole lot about these persistent data and how your application can take advantage of it. After that, we're going to build some amazing application using Firebase. Of course, authentication is included, but moreover, we have included an application that uses the whole CRUD application of the database. Create, read, update, and delete alongside using the Firebase image section as well. We're going to put our image into Firebase storage, we'll download it back, and so making it a whole complete application so that you can understand each and every bit about Firebase and React Native. There are so many projects in this entire course, almost 20, and we're going to be creating so many of them. I cannot mention a whole list all of them in this just one video because there are so many, including the chat applications, Scratch and Win, Tic-Tac-Toe, and so many others. So I highly recommend you to check out what are the projects that we are offering in the description section. One of the very big question is what are the prerequisites for this course? Now, although the name are very similar, React and React Native, this React Native course has nothing to do with React. I will assume throughout this course you do not have any knowledge about React, and assuming that we are going to move forward. The only prerequisite for this course is basics of JavaScript. If you are familiar with what are loops, functions, arrays, and arrow function in JavaScript, that's all what we need. In today's modern world, React Native is an amazing skill. You can launch your Android apps and iOS app with single code base. This is truly an amazing power and amazing skill that you can have. In this entire course, I will walk alongside with you so that we face no problem in learning React Native. Building these apps are super amazing and super fun. And don't worry even if you are afraid of code a little bit. I have been into that place once in a lifetime, and I know how to get out of that place as well. So don't worry too much about the stuff, and I will walk you through with building amazing application that you can be super proud by holding in your mobile devices. I highly recommend to check out the description section and watch out some of the free previews to check the quality of the course, audio and video as well. I am super excited and super pumped up to get started with this React Native course. We have a whole lot of apps to build up, so let's get started.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. There's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life.